Hi all, welcome to my channel. Stress is a feeling of emotional or physical tension. It can come from any event or thought that makes you feel frustrated, angry or nervous. Stress is your body's reaction to a challenge or demand. In short bursts, stress can be positive, such as when it helps you avoid danger or meet a deadline. There are 10 simple tips to help manage and reduce your stress levels. Avoid caffeine, alcohol and nicotine. Avoid or at least reduce your consumption of nicotine and any drinks containing caffeine and alcohol. Caffeine and nicotine are stimulants that will increase your level of stress rather than reduce it. Indulge in physical activity. Stressful situations increase the level of stress hormones such as adrenaline, cortisol in your body. Physical exercise can be used as a surrogate to metabolize excessive stress hormones and restore your body and mind to a calmer, more relaxed state. When you feel stressed and tense, go for a brisk walk in the fresh air. Regular physical activity will also improve the quality of your sleep. Get more sleep. A lack of sleep is a significant cause of stress. Try taking a warm bath or reading a calming, demanding book for a few minutes to relax your body, tire your eyes and help you forget about the thing that worry you. Try relaxation techniques. Each day, try to relax with a stress reduction technique. There are many tried and tested ways to reduce stress. So try a few and see what works best for you. Try self-hypnosis, which is very easily and can be done everywhere, even at your desk or in the car. Another technique is to focus on a word or phrase that has a positive meaning to you. Talk to someone. Just talking to someone about how you feel can be helpful. Talking can work by either distracting you from your stressful thoughts or releasing some of the built-up tension by discussing it. Talking things through with a friend, work colleague or even a trained professional can help you find solutions to your stress and put your problems into perspective. Keep a stress diary. Keeping a stress diary for a few weeks is an effective stress management tool, as it will help you become more aware of the solutions which cause you to become stressed. Note down the date, time and place of each stressful episode and note what you were doing, who you were with and how you felt both physically and emotionally. Give each stressful episode a stress rating on say a 1 to 10 scale and use the diary to understand what triggers your stress and how effective you were in stressful situations. This will enable you to avoid stressful situations and develop better coping mechanisms. Take control. Learning how to find solutions to your problems will help you feel more in control, thereby lowering your level of stress. Write down each step that you need to take as a part of the solution. What will be done? How will it be done? Where will be done? Who is involved? And where will it take place? Manage your time. Make a list of all the things that you need to do and list them in order of genuine priority. Note what tasks you need to do personally and what can be delegated to others to do. Record which tasks need to be done immediately, in the next week, in the next month or when time allows. Learn to say no. A common cause of stress is having too much to do and too little time in which to do it. Learning to say no to additional or unimportant requests will help to reduce your level of stress and may also help you develop more self-confidence. Practice saying phrases such as, I had loved to do this, but rest if you are ill. If you are feeling unwell, do not feel that you have to carry on regardless. A short spell of rest will enable the body to recover faster. Managing stress is all about taking charge of your thoughts, your emotions, your schedule, your environment and the way you deal with problems. The ultimate goal is a balanced life with time for work, relationships, relaxation and fun, plus the resilience to hold up under pressure and meet challenges head on. Thank you.